House for sale in Anaheim Hills, California. Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a special treat for you, a stunning house for sale in Anaheim Hills, California. This house is truly one of a kind, offering luxury, comfort, and incredible views of the surrounding hills and cityscape. As you approach the property, you'll be struck by its impressive curb appeal, with a beautiful facade and a meticulously landscaped front yard. But it's what's inside that really sets this house apart. As soon as you step inside, you'll be greeted by a grand foyer with soaring ceilings and a stunning chandelier. The open floor plan leads you into the spacious living room, where you'll find a cozy fireplace and large windows that showcase the incredible views. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, with high-end appliances, custom cabinetry, and plenty of counter space for meal prep. The adjacent dining area is perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying family meals, with access to the backyard patio area. This house features 5 spacious bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathroom and ample closet space. The master suite is particularly impressive, with a private balcony that offers breathtaking views of the hills, as well as a luxurious spa-style bathroom with a soaking tub and separate shower. And if you're in need of additional space, this house also features a bonus room that could be used as a home office, gym, or media room, as well as a 3-car garage. But the real showstopper of this house is the backyard. The outdoor space is beautifully landscaped, with a pool and spa, a covered patio area, and plenty of space for lounging and entertaining guests. It's the perfect oasis in the heart of Anaheim Hills. Overall, this house for sale in Anaheim Hills, California is a true gem, offering luxury, comfort, and stunning views in one of the most desirable neighborhoods in the area. So if you're interested in learning more about this property or scheduling a viewing, please contact us now. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing real estate content like this. See you in the next one. House for sale in Anaheim Hills, California.